Ha? Oo nga, B4. Itong...
Pero sa port siya punta.
Ha?
Port. Wala ka cross-side.
B4 daw eh.
Pero I mean,
Dito tayo. Tama din. Basement 4. B4. Ah, ito pala oh. Ito yung Hong Kong port. B4. Pupunta ka, dadaan kasi tayo dyan eh. For immigration. Okay. So if you're here, no, sa terminal. Medyo maze. Malaking terminal ng Hong Kong. You go to B4. B4. Ha? Ito, we'll ask nga eh kung saan. New territories, Hong Kong Island, yan. Kagabi, we're directed here, no? Sa B4. But we don't know kung saan. We have different buses. Parang terminal siya. Going to the airport. Part of the airport complex, but bus terminal siya. So, sabi dito is B4. Ito nga B4, oh.
Hong Kong port tayo. Ang next time is 1 o'clock pa?
Hindi, this is ang kanya, ang schedule from 5:30 in the morning to 1 o'clock. Every 15 minutes daw yung daan. Saan na yan? Malik yun? Ayan o. Schedule niya.
Kung bayaran mo lahat, going there is 12.
Yan, no? Okay, we'll ask again.